Daihatsu has launched the new Rocky compact SUV in its home market in Japan. Its sister product, the Toyota Raize, also went in sale earlier this week. Both Daihatsu Rocky and Toyota Raize are mechanically identical to each other with just cosmetic differences adhering to each brand's design language. The fascia features large hexagonal grille with horizontal slats and asymmetrical lower intake, squared fog lamps, as well as vertically positioned LED DRLs. Rest of the vehicle remains the same. In terms of interior, everything remains the same apart from branding, of course. The dashboard is dominated by a freestanding 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that sits above the center air vents, below which are the switchgear for the automatic air conditioning system and start button, while the two-tier center console houses the gear selector, power outlets, heated seat controls, stowage, and the handbrake. Like Raize, there is 900mm space between the front and rear seats. The boot features a dual-level floor that at its lowest position results in 369 liters of boot space. Measuring 3,995mm long, 1,695mm wide, 1,620mm tall, and having a 2,525mm long wheelbase, the Rocky weighs just 980 kg and sits on Daihatsu's DNGA modular platform with monocoque construction utilizing high-tensile steel plates for increased rigidity and rides on McPherson strut front and torsion beam rear suspension. Daihatsu Rocky gets powered by the same 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine developing 98 HP of power and 140 Nm of torque, paired to a DCVT gearbox. It boasts a WLTP fuel economy figure of 18.6 km per liter with front-wheel drive and 17.4 km per liter with the all-wheel drive variant with dynamic torque control. Like many JDM cars, the Rocky 2 offers a range of accessory packages, namely elegance, powerful, and sporty. The Daihatsu Rocky comes available in 4 trims: L, X, G, and Premium, each getting an optional AWD. Prices start a little cheaper than Raize from 15 lakhs 50,000 yen and goes as high as 20 lakh yen for the flagship premium version.